Okay, here's a Cascaded Timer from Forrest M. Mims 555 timer book. It's the first one I've built that uses two 555 timers, and because I don't have a 556 timer, I had to do the pin mapping, which he has written out in here, but I went ahead and tried to map this out on paper, and I created this mapping here, which then let me kind of rewrite the pins, and I'm surprised it's actually working. It was really complex. I didn't have knobs here, so I'm just using fixed resistor values, but you can see that it works. So after the first one finishes lighting up, the second one lights up. It's basically triggered by the other one finishing, and if I hold down the button, it stays on, and then when it goes off, the next one goes on. So it's kind of like in JavaScript, like on mouse up. And the thing asked for 1 mega ohm resistors, and I started with that, but it just made the lights go on for a really long time, and so I switched to some smaller resistors, and if the two resistors here are the same size, then the lights will be on for the same amount of time. But right now I have a smaller resistor here, so the first light is on for a shorter amount. Alright, hope you learned something. See you in the next video.